There's silicone, liquid nails, toothpick, double-sided tape. That's good. Ah. All right, we'll let that dry. So I'm going to put thread lock on these guys. These are the factory bolts. But as you notice, someone had put thread lock on these. I don't know if that was from the factory or otherwise. But they already had it on there. So I'm going to put this on, put them in, and then lock them down tight. 105 pounds of torque, and we'll put them back in. Okay, there's one in. I'm going to put the second one in right now. Okay, I'm going to screw these in. Hand tight as much as I can, then I'm going to go ahead and lock them down with a torque wrench. Okay, I locked them in there. They are down and tightened. So again, the procedure was I cleaned it out with degreaser. Then I went ahead and annealed the copper washers. Cleaned the bolts of any grease. I put clear silicone sealant on the bottom of the washers, the copper washers. You can still see some of it right there. I got to take it off, some pieces of it, and then I put blue thread locker on the bottom 3/4. Just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. They said it sets, and we'll let it set a little bit. I'll clean it up and start it and see how it goes and see if it leaks oil again. I went for a little bit of a ride. I need to clean it up still. I didn't really clean it up very well before, so that's kind of old. I'll clean it up a little better. We'll see if the repair holds. Hopefully it does. Other than that, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and enjoy your Himalayan. Okay, dirty, but 40 miles I'm driving and still bone dry. Those miles of riding. Looking dry so far. Looking good. Hopefully this repair takes, and that's it for the time being. I think that's going to be the last of my updates. And with that, stay dry, don't get oily, and enjoy your Himalayan.